Hi guys, today we're going to be working on synonym and antonyms. A synonym is a word that means the same thing as another word. It's just a different word, but they mean the same thing. An antonym is the opposite of another word, the complete opposite. And they do not mean the same things, but they are opposites. What you are going to do is you are going to write if it is a synonym or an antonym. Since I am making a video, all I'm going to write is S and M. I would like you to write out the whole word, please. Blend and mix. Blend and mix mean the same thing. Blend the cake batter. Mix the cake batter. They mean the same thing, just a different word. So that is a synonym. 3, top and bottom. Top and bottom. Do top and bottom mean the same thing? If I were to say, hey, grab the candy on the top shelf, and then I said, grab the candy on the bottom shelf, wouldn't you be confused? I would be completely confused. So we know that that does not mean the same thing, but it is the opposite. So that is an antonym. 5, cold and freezing. Cold and freezing. We know that both of those words means that it is chilly out. So those are synonyms. 7, huge, gigantic. Do they mean the same thing? Yes. They are synonyms. Shiny and dual. Shiny and dual. When something is shiny, it's nice and pretty and clean. When something is dual, it's not really. It's kind of worn out. So when something is dual, it is the opposite of shiny. So that is an antonym. 10, begin and start. A way that you can test if something is a synonym is you could create a sentence and use the same word for that sentence. For example, please start your test. Please start your test. I'm going to change start to begin. And if I get the same message, it's a synonym. Please begin your test. Do they mean the same thing? They sure do. So those are synonyms. 12, we have someone that is young, and the opposite, someone that is old. Those are antonyms. When you listen to someone, you're hearing what they have to say. When you ignore someone, you're not responding to them or you're not paying attention to them. So those are opposites and they are antonyms. I'm going to read the rest to you guys. I want you to decide if it's a synonym or an antonym. 2, sink and float. Sink and float. When you throw something heavy in the water, it will sink. But if something like a floaty is thrown in there, it will float. Are those synonyms or antonyms? 4, furious, angry. Furious, angry. Are they the same synonyms or opposites, antonyms? 6, easy, difficult. 8, bother, annoy. When you bother someone, that means you're annoying them, so they mean the same thing. 10, pain or an ache. An ache is something that is bugging you. It's something that hurts, kind of like pain. So they are synonyms. 11, noisy or quiet. Noisy, quiet. Are they the same thing or are they opposites of each other? They are opposites, which makes them a what? An antonym. 13, couch, sofa. Couch, sofa. 15, windy, calm. Windy, calm. When it is windy, it is not calm because everything's moving all over the place. And when something is calm, it's settled down, not necessarily moving. Good job, guys. See you later.